Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide the navigation bar in Publisher. So, open your Publisher application in your laptop or PC, and here, as you can see, the navigation bar is right here in the left side of the screen. So, go to the View tab here at the top and you will see the option to check and uncheck the page navigation in show ribbon. So just click on this arrow and the page navigation disappears. If you check it again, you will see the page navigation, and that's the method to show or hide the page navigation bar in Publisher. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.